Hi friends, welcome to Learning French with Veena Multani, and today we are going to learn articles, that is the definite article and the indefinite article. Bienvenue mes amis à apprendre la langue française, votre enseignant de la langue française. Aujourd'hui, on va étudier les articles, l'article défini et les articles indéfinis. So we start with our definite articles. In English, we are aware of our definite article, I'm sure. It is the. In French, it does not fall as just simply as one word because every noun, whether living or non-living, is either masculine or feminine. That is, gender is given. So first we start with a definite article that is as masculine, which we have it here. The before masculine nouns, the definite article to be placed is le. So le garçon, that's boy, garçon. Le stylo, the pen. Le livre, that is the book. Le crayon, that's the pencil. These are all masculine nouns, and before that, the is translated as le. Coming to nouns which are feminine, the definite article will be la. So we have first word, that is la chaise, that is the chair. La table, that is the table. La banque, that is the bank. La fille, that is girl. Now you will tell me, how did you decide that these nouns are masculine and these nouns are feminine? Well, that's part of learning the vocabulary. That is, we have to note with each word whether it is masculine or feminine. But a little hint that we can put it here as most of the nouns which end in E are feminine. So note here chaise, table, banque, fille, that's ending in E and it is feminine. But here note livre ending in E but it is masculine. So most of the cases, but there could be exceptions. The third definite article is, we take it as L apostrophe. Now this is put when the noun is beginning with a vowel. Let it be masculine or feminine. If it begins with the vowel, that is the clash of the vowel. So the preceding vowel, that is, if it's la, the E will be dropped. If it's la, the A will be dropped, and both will be connected with an apostrophe. So let's look at the few examples here. We have horloge, that is wall clock. So l'horloge, it's feminine. Oiseau, oiseau is bird. It gets as L apostrophe, l'oiseau. Arbre, that's tree, it's masculine. It is l'arbre. So it's for nouns which begin with a vowel, we put L apostrophe. And this clash of the vowel between the two words and which we join it with an apostrophe is known as elision. So one more example we can take of elision. If I take ce plus est, that is this plus is, that is the translation of it. E is dropped and it gets as say. The last definite article that we have is for nouns which are plural. If they are plural, then we write it as les. Get into the examples here. Les plats, that's the dishes. Les journaux, that is newspapers. This is plural. So all the definite articles we will summarize. Masculine we put le, feminine we put la. Nouns which begin with the vowel and are singular, we put L apostrophe. All plural nouns we put le, that is the definite article. Second one we need to take is the indefinite article. Indefinite article in English first, that is a or an. In French again it will be bifurcated as masculine or feminine. All masculine nouns, indefinite article or an would be translated as a. Okay, so un ordinateur, that is a computer. A quiz, that's a quiz. A garçon, that is a boy. Feminine nouns indefinite would be une. We have few examples here which I have. Une règle, that is a ruler or a scale. Une saison, a season. Une directrice, that is a director, that is feminine. Plural, indefinite article, we put it as they, that is des. Des oiseaux, par exemple. Des crayons, des crayons, that is some pencils. Des quiz, some quiz. Des stylo, some pens. So indefinite article is on, une, and they. Masculine is on, feminine is une, plural is they. There's nothing for as nouns beginning with a vowel and as elysio taking place. But with this, we also have to note the liaison. What is liaison? Basically, that is, we have learned that is in French, the last letter is suppressed in pronunciation. But if the word happens to follow by a vowel, then the last letter would be pronounced. So note the difference. Un ordinateur, N is pronounced. Un quiz, that is un. Un garçon. Des crayons, but des oiseaux. So this brings us to the end of the lesson. That is the definite and indefinite article, and I'm sure it is quite simple enough as this. And I will end the lesson here, and I will say thank you very much, and I hope these videos would help you. And if you like this video, share, comment and subscribe to this particular video. See you again. À bientôt.